Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a nice to-do list in Notion. And for this I created a new page and we call this to-do list. Then we go underneath it, and then from now what we want to do is do slash and then calendar view, and then click on that and then click this away. Right now we have a calendar view of a month and we want this of a week. So what we need to do now is go to settings, layout, turn off the show database title because this is more beautiful, and then we click here on show calendar as and transfer this to a week. And then right now we can start creating a task. So what we want to do now is click here on the plus icon and then we call this task 1. Then we go to text and we call this homework. Enter. And then we add a property and we will add the checkbox property and we call this done ? Then we do enter and then we click besides here and then we have the task 1. But to be honest, I want to see what I need to do and I want to click on the checkbox when this task is done. So what we need to do now is we go to settings, we go to property visibility, and then we enable done and text so we can exactly see right now what we need to do. Alright, we did the task, so right now we click here on done, and right now I want to remove this to a new calendar view so it's a better vision that I can see what I already did and what I need to do. So for that we click here on calendar view and click on duplicate. We name this one done ? And then from here, what we need to do is we need to go to settings, we go to filter, we go to done, and then we click here on the arrow and we make this checked. Click this away, and now we go back to calendar view, go to settings, go to filter, go to done, and we click here on the arrow and make this unchecked. So right now what will happen when you create a task right here and you click on done, it will move to this calendar and then you can see exactly what you already did, and right here you can see what you need to do. So this is exactly how you can create a very strong to-do list on Notion. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.